everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm so excited because I am going to be launching a monthly challenge. Each month I will post a theme and show a project that I made using the theme. I will also be showcasing certain colors of my dewdrops. So what are dewdrops? These dewdrops are acrylic discs. They are raised, they are not flat. They are another type of embellishment. They don't necessarily replace the embellishments that you currently use. They are in addition to embellishments such as pearls, gems, and bling. These are some of the colors that I offer. I hand dye all of these colors on my own. Let me show you some projects that I use my dewdrops with in addition to other items. I use liquid pearls down here, and then up here I have my dewdrops as well as some sequin. On this gingerbread card, I've used some gems up here, and I've used my dewdrops for the buttons. And then I have additional gems down here. Dewdrops don't replace items. They are more of that in-between when you're looking for a little something extra. They're not flat like melted pony beads. These are acrylic and they are raised. Thank you to everyone that has purchased my dewdrops and supporting my small business. This is going to be the easiest challenge for everyone because you do not have to mail in any of your projects and you do not have to use dewdrops. To enter, you have to do a VR showing your project using the theme of the month. Tag me at DoubleClick Connect and use the hashtag DoubleClick Connect Challenge. Leave a comment and be a subscriber. The challenge will be open all month long until the next monthly challenge. You can enter as often as you would like. The prize each month will be a bag of my dewdrops. First challenge, this will be the prize, and it is a sample of my ginger pastel drops. I will draw a winner each month. Unfortunately, the winner can only be in the US because I'm shipping an actual item. Anyone is free to enter. This is not sponsored. You must be 18 years or older. The prize is for US residents only, but anyone can enter. This is a great way to use your stash. You can enter any project as long as it follows the theme, and it is a great way to meet new crafty friends. If you do not post on YouTube, you can follow and tag me on your Instagram account with the project that you have created. I will also be looking for 1 to 2 guest designers each month. If you're interested in being a guest designer, please email me. My email is in my About Me page with your channel name and let me know that you are interested in being a guest designer. All of this information will be in the description box down below. I hope that everyone will consider entering this fun monthly challenge. I, as well as the guest designers, will be coming along and checking the hashtags, visiting your channel, and leaving comments. Each month that I post a new challenge, I will be releasing a color set of dewdrops. For the month of April, these are the colors that will be released. We have this beautiful yellow. We have this mint green. We have this fun purple and this very cool pink. This is how the dewdrops will be sent when you purchase them. These are the main colors, and I send a sample pack with each order. Each bag has 25 dewdrops of each color. This package, all of these, you get 100 dewdrops plus, in addition, the ones that I send in the sample. To order one of these sets, it's $5, and that includes shipping, and that is for US residents only. I wish that international shipping was cheaper. So for $5, you will receive a pack each of the colors for the month, as well as a sample. You can direct message me for your PayPal information, or I can send you my PayPal information. You can also purchase directly from Etsy. They are currently listed on my Etsy shop. The theme for our first month, which is April, will be to create any project using fruit. Any kind of fruit, any kind of project. Here is the project that I have created. I use these strawberries from the Preserves Cricut cartridge. This is the paper that I recently hauled from Hobby Lobby. I added some pom-pom trim at the bottom. I have a sweet birthday wishes stamp, and I created a little flag banner with some scrap paper. Here are the dewdrops that I've used for the month. This color is strawberry. I do have lots of other colors available. You can send me a message if you're interested in different colors. I am so excited to be launching into this new challenge. When I blogged back in the day, and my blog is listed in my description box, I used to host challenges 2 times a month. You can go back and look at all of those posts and look at all the projects that everyone created back then. YouTube is a new platform and I wanted to give it a shot. On this platform, I haven't blogged in a while, and I thank you guys so much for all of your support. Okay, friends, let's wrap up this video. This month's challenge is to make any project using fruit. Please do a VR showing your project and tagging me at DoubleClickConnect. Use the hashtag DoubleClickConnectChallenge. Leave a comment and be a subscriber. The prize this month is this sample pack of ginger pastel dewdrops. The release this month is the April 2023 colors. We also have a guest designer this month, Sharon from Cheap to Chic. I will link her channel down below. Please go check out what she has created for this month's challenge. I thank you guys so much for all of your support. I look forward to seeing everyone's projects. And a quick reminder, you do not have to mail in your project. All of the information will be listed down below. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. Thanks so much for stopping by, and have a great day.